life is like a horror flick, but this movie, guns and bricks with tons of chicks. Ice on my neck and wrists and run with a clip. Creep with 2 guns on my hip, I'm swinging, I spit. Fighting was that 85 shit, rims on my whip. Dreamcast in the head of my shit. Bitches know I'm rich, look at they husband and wanna switch. Follow my dick, tell they kids daddy ain't shit. Cut your finger off and mail it back like Marv did the rich. I'm body a snitch. Bumpy Johnson of this crack shit. Feds couldn't tap this, Vietnam couldn't match this. Is murder. Even when I fuck, I hold a burner. Now think about it, when I'm out of town, a body turn up, I'm a grown man. I ain't mad you don't understand, I produce fire. Ever since 12 started riot, broke Pirelli tires, bandana bike riders. No slugs at outsiders, jail cell full with lifers. And ask y'all dumb niggas a question, who's the nicest? We creep. When we roll through the streets, we creep. When we walk around with heat, we creep. Smash box in the Jeep,
keep it airtight, plugging these mics. It's rhyme fight. Me and my fam made alike, like to clap on sight. Devious, mischievous, eye for an eye. Infamous and reppin' this. Who wanna fuck with this guy? You know we all talk live, and I'm certified wild. A Queen's professional, niggas check the profile. 6 foot 210, won't hesitate to get down. My desert spit round quicker than shell hit ground. Need some help down? Play clown, this shit ain't a game. Trying to maintain, spitting bars hotter than flames. And you know I do my thing, stay one with the heat. On point with my hood, keep my ear to the streets. And all these bitches love me, don't give a fuck about beat. Ounce of reefer for the week, laid back in the seat. What you see is what you get, don't talk, represent. Never play bent, stay on my